Hi friends, today we are going to talk about one very common thing. If you have come from a programming background and good old days when you used to code in basic C, C++, one very common thing is palindrome, okay? Palindrome is something you have a word, and if you just reverse it, it will be the same. So how can you find it? Lots of people we used to do, I remember we used to do a do clause and all those things, but now everything is very easy. What you can do is you just can use a reverse statement, and then it will do. So just give an example how it has been coded. So if you see, I'm putting madam number. So sometimes we used to call madam number also. That means if you just reverse madam, it's madam only. So, and here you can see, very easy, just use this reverse function and then you get everything. So we'll put a debug point here and we'll execute, and we will select this and we execute. Um, and now this one was already selected. Now we'll go to the code. Here we go here. If you see, data test is madam, and now if you see, test is there. Now the rev will be calculated. It's madam again, and since this is matching, it will say this. So let's now change it. We'll just change it in debug mode. Okay, the value. So we'll just change it. We'll put the test as something else. So here is test. So let's try to change it. Okay, and we will say suppose I will put soon. Okay, which is not a palindrome. Okay, so what will happen is we'll do the reverse, which is news probably. Rev is this, and it will say it will fail and is soon, and here test is, and here you can see. So in this way you can find the result. Okay, so let's see. So the reversal is very important. So let's see. Oh, I'm running out of session. Okay, so if I do this and I execute, madam is a palindrome, and if I check the other one, it will not be a palindrome. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning, and have a great